these days, I really like simplicity. My hair has to match my lifestyle. Simple, easy, that's it. No fuss. But one area that I do not play about, and that is the health of my hair. So today I'm going to show you guys how I retain moisture in my super coily, multi-texture, multi-porosity hair.
Grab a snack, set your mood, enjoy the process. Sometimes I co-wash, but today I shampoo using the habitual repairing shampoo with keratin. I got it from Ross for less than $6. Now for the first layer of moisture. I've been using Curl's Daughter's Cocoon Mask with this Lucetta, and I think it's pronounced Lucetta, mask, and the results are just out of this world. But I was out and couldn't find it anywhere, so maybe everybody else thinks it's pretty good too. I section my hair, but I don't try to detangle it yet. Instead, I leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. I choose my conditioners by the consistency of the formula to deal with the different textures that I have. So far, that's been working for me. Here's where the real hydration comes in. After letting the first conditioner sit on my hair for about 15 to 20 minutes, I'm adding a second layer, this time a super moisturizing deep conditioner packed with oils like argan. This method locks in everything and helps those strands that are harder to penetrate. This is how I get long-lasting hydration. I take my time smoothing the product from roots, then downward in the smallest sections possible. I make sure every inch is covered and use my fingers to detangle. I also squeeze the product in randomly because some of my hair is low porosity, and then I define my curls to prep for the styling.
Gets cold, let's turn up the heat, yeah. With every beat we feel the night could be surreal. When the beat drops down low, let it pull you in real close. Are you down for it? Tell me, are you down for it, boy? And when the lights get low, let the shadows steal the show. Are you down for it? Tell me, are you down for it? Your breath's the rhythm pulling me deeper. You know I'm caught in your gravity, falling. I can't believe this night just belongs to me and you. Can you feel me? And when the lights get low, let the shadows steal the show. Are you down for it? Tell me, are you down for it? Boy, I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. No holding back, it's real.
Now I'm going to take this oil mixture. I usually use argan oil. However, I didn't prepare it. So I'm just going to use this, something that I already have. And I'm going to go through and layer each section with oil. And after I do that, I'm going to get under the steam. But one thing that I don't do is I don't go under the steamer until I can verify every strand is taking in the moisture that I just put on it. One way that I know is because the roots of my hair will get really like sleek. And when all of my hair is like that, that's when I get into the steamer. I'll get in my steam room because I have like a steam room, but I was in there yesterday and I don't feel like cleaning it out. So I'm just going to do the portable steamer or the hair steamer. I said portable. My hair loves oil. And then when I get into the steamer, I'm going to get under there for anywhere between half an hour to an hour, just depending on what my hair needs, because sometimes it's just a lot drier than other times. I can never really tell like what it's going to do. If I see any additional areas that need to be detangled a little bit more, I'll go ahead and do that.
This is my favorite part. I love steaming my hair. It makes me feel like I'm at the spa, only I can stay under here as long as I want to and as many times a week as I like. My wash days are a whole mood. I study Spanish, listen to music, just being in my own little world, living lighter, honey. Once the time is up, I rinse my hair with cool water only. That'll help seal in the cuticles. And look at all this hydration. Look at how soft. I really love my hair and taking care of her. It's such a pleasure.
So have you ever tried this before? If you haven't, would you? Leave me some comments and let me know, because, you know, we all do different things, and maybe you can share some tips with me that may even further help my progress of my thriving coily hair. I'll see you guys in the next video.